Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about Use Your Common Sense Day. What is common sense? Using common sense means using the knowledge you already have about something in order to make a reasonable and safe decision. It's about using what you know from experiencing something in the past to decide what you might do in the future. For example, if you're at home and want a snack, you could use what you already know about where that snack usually is in order to find it again. In this case, you might not even need to ask for help. But using your common sense might also mean considering what you don't know and what information you might need to make a new choice. If you know that you would need a knife to cut slices of apple, for example, you might remember that knives are sharp. Asking an adult would be the best way to make sure you get your snack and stay safe. And learning to ask for help is a really important skill to have too. You're probably practicing how to use your common sense all the time without even realizing it. Happy Use Your Common Sense Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.